Alright guys, we are back. We're back once again. This is day, I don't know, day 23 or something. I think it's day 23. I don't know what day it is, and I don't really care. But we are now on the last part of chapter 3. Last chapter of 3. I said I have not done much today because I've been packing, but I did do this one right here. Split images and links. And this one was quite difficult, to be honest with you. Splitting the nodes based on images and links. I originally tried this weird for loop thing where I was trying to loop through, what came back from when I extracted the actual markdown images using that other function I wrote in the last video. I was trying to do this whole for loop thing and noticed that, I'm going to be looping over. If there are more than one images in a line, I would be reusing them when I'm trying to create this new node that has all the text nodes in it, splitting based on the images and links. So at that point, I got kind of stuck and just asked Copilot. I have Copilot set up so it does some Socratic questioning right now. So gave me some Socratic questions, and that doesn't write any code for me. And told me, I can use a while loop to do it instead. And just while, while we still have text in the sentence, then we loop again. But we reset the after section. So we reset what we're examining, what string we're examining. Because when we split off, say we're going through this, right? Say we split off the markdown image right here, or the markdown link is a link. When we split this, it's going to be removed from the list, from the string. The list we get back is not going to have it in there, but it's still going to have the other link. So we can send this new string back in by getting that number of the list, and then use that instead to do the whole, again, going through and finding the links and separating the links from the text and all that stuff. So yeah, I had to get a little bit of help on that. I still wrote all the code myself, but I just had to get a hint, basically. So that's how that worked. I'm not really averse to using AI as long as I feel like I understand the solution. But now we're on the last part of this chapter, the last lesson, text-to-text nodes. So this should not be very hard. It says, time to put all the splitting functions into a function that can give a raw string, close up text on objects. Create a text-to-text nodes text function. Here's some example input. Should list of nodes. Function will be quite simple. Now they've done the whole work, just use splitting functions one after the other. Write some tests. Okay. Only problem here is that my file structure is absolutely atrocious, so gonna have to figure out which files to call, but that's about right. That's great. Touch. Text. What should I name this file? I don't want to name the same name as the function. Let me just call it text underscore 2. Not that. Text underscore 2 underscore nodes dot py. Open that. Text the nodes. Okay, so the split nodes is asking for an actual text node So we need to get the text node first. The text node HTML. What is this doing? Oh, this is going from text node to HTML. But to get a text node, because we're being passed a string. Kind of confused with my file organization here. HTML node. Wait. Oh, it says this all splitting. Okay, I don't think we need all this HTML stuff. Yeah, I think we just need this file. So from split nodes, import split nodes delimiter, split nodes image, split nodes link. Noise reduction here, since everybody's yelling. Define text or to text nodes according to some text that's passed in. It's going to pass that. I keep hitting the escape. I have to use this keyboard. Okay, so you have some text. Split nodes delimiter is going to split the entire text based on some delimiter. Oh, so we should split based on bold, italics. Okay, so we can identify the bold and italics. And split nodes based on image and link, we're going to do the image and link. So, say current underscore text is equal to is equal to split nodes delimiter. I think we can do this all in one line, right? I think we can. Split nodes delimiter. All nodes based on any delimiter based on any text type is. Okay, we need to pass it in as a list. Right? I don't know how my code works. That's great. Yeah, we need to pass it in. Let's look at the test for this. Okay, now. So first thing we have to do, we need to actually make it into a text node. And text type, set node is equal to text node, the actual text type. No, I'm taking. Hey, sorry about that. Where were we? Sorry, say the time. I was okay. Okay, so we have our text node now. And it says below is the limiter on the list of text node. Set the limiter. Set to this. I think that's bold. So text side needs to be not bold. All right. Mark down delimiters. Yeah, it's bold. So we'll split nodes based on that. Then we would do the same thing. Let's split nodes limiter equal return. Returns a list of the old nodes. So yeah, we should be able to do this. So we're able to run another split nodes limiter. On with this returns. Have run it with a delimiter of underscores. And this will be text type of italic. So now we have bold and italics. So then we need to run. Go to the first line. And run images now. We don't need to make any changes there because it only takes in one thing. Then we need to run it also on links. And there we go. And it should be new underscore text or new underscore list underscore of underscore nodes. Then we just return that, right? Okay, let's see if this will work. Call text x nodes on this string here for testing purposes. Speaking of which, I actually need to in the split nodes file shift G. Yeah, we need to get rid of all of this. It's unnecessary. Okay, let's run this function run text export to nodes. But nothing, we have to print it out. But at least there are no errors. Escape not in visual mode. Print. Oh shit, $sign G A. We'll run it. Oh no. In text type is no attribute with value. What is this? Oh. Putting those links is supposed to return a list. I think it's trying to print out because we have a text node in here and we have a represent thing in the text nodes. The new list is like it really. Text type is not actual value. Why is this happening? Oh, yeah, it's again trying to. What is it coming back as a text node? That's not what's supposed to happen. Yeah, it's a list. Saying self.texttype.value has no attribute value. How is that even possible? Like, saying that text type has no attribute value. Oh, I didn't put .text here. That's actually a legitimate error. Okay, that's why it was happening. Okay, print. Okay, we have a list here. We're only getting a list of. This is not correct. We're only getting the actual things. We're supposed to be getting more than just the things. I wonder why that's happening. That really should not be happening. Because everything is supposed to come back as... Okay, I think the only... It's kind of annoying, but I don't know if any better way... No, I did not mean to do that. Undo. Don't know of any better way to test this. Undo that. Yeah, inside of the quotes. Print. Again, paste. Oh, print again. I just kind of have to see what each of these is actually returning. So I don't know of any other way to figure out why it's breaking. Really should not be breaking. Okay, so the first one's giving, this is text. That's right. It's also right. Also looks right. It has the rest of the thing here. Second one. So now it's supposed to be... Wait, did it? Yeah, it did get the bold text. Now I'm supposed to do that and get the italic text. Okay, it's just returning the italic. It's not returning actual. It's not returning the actual text nodes. Why is that happening? It's not. We're supposed to return the entire thing. The whole with an italic word block is just gone from the second output. A word and a code box there. Wait, no, maybe it is there. Oh, it didn't come back with the link either. Um, why is this happening? Why is this happening? So we're getting back. Should have been easy. Yeah. Give me only the. God. Oh no, text. Let me print some. Yeah, print some new lines here. So that what the hell? This is easier to read. God, I wish this is formatted properly in the terminal. This looks right. Hey, this is text bold. Now we have another text. Let's see, equal to none. I don't know why this is here. Seems extra to me. Text mode within, it seems right. Italic, right and a. code block. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Here. Okay, so this is just disappears. On the third one where we're doing the link. That is not supposed to happen. That is not supposed to happen. Maybe there's something wrong with the link code. Yeah, we're not even getting the link properly. It's supposed to be a link in https boot.dev. Hey, let's try. It looks like I didn't even test this properly. Let's test the link code here. Fine. Score split underscore links. And this is text with a link. https boot.dev and another Bing. No, we're not giving Microsoft any help here. NeoVim. www.googleitnoob.com. Sounds good to me. Text type is .text. There we go. New underscore nodes. Split nodes on the link according to the list of that node. I use self.search list equal to what to this. I really hate how Shift Enter does that. Have a text node. There's is text with a space text type txt text node have a link. The actual type should be a link, and the actual link will be https://boot.dev. And we have another text node in this list. Text node, call it space and another space text type dot text another one text node of NeoVim. Text type would be that. What the hell? link. Actual will be www.googleitsanoob.com. Okay, so that should technically pass. If we have the right code, it failed. Let's do the insert. What the hell is going on? Who knows? Test on, failed. There needs to be a space before this. Oh my days, man. Okay, it passed, man. So it sounds like it's working. Why am I not able to figure this out? Why is this thing breaking? Okay, let me, it came pretty late. It's gonna ask for some advice here. So I am trying to run check text notes. It is supposed to properly split a given string into the correct nodes and text types. Right now, I am getting a truncated output. It seems like some of the string is being lost through these split functions, which I feel should not be happening. Can you give me a hint? Oh. Have you checked whether each splitting function is preserving all parts of the text? Or the split nodes delimiter is returning all the expected nodes? Yeah, I think it is. Because, yeah, I mean, look at the test. The tests show that with the correct thing passed in, they're returning what's actually supposed to be done. And all the tests are passing. So I don't think that's the reason why this is breaking. Same thing with this, like it's coming back with everything else. Well, as the thing. Logic, look at the split nodes, limited split nodes PY. Input text is properly paired delimiters. I mean, we tested this earlier. And again, it's like turns properly in the test. Guaranteeing all parts of process. I feel like it is. Dude, like, yeah, I don't know what's going on here. The tests are passing, and over here, they come back with everything. I feel like it has something to do with the way I'm doing it, like how I'm doing it all in one line. Maybe that just doesn't work. Let me try, its bold text, split nodes delimiter, list of the text node. Could also be delimiter. Oh, yeah, I think it is a delimiter. That's wrong. Yeah, I'm not testing. I just noticed something. We need another delimiter for code as well. Code dot code. Oh my days, man. Why does this not work? Just get the correct tab. Another quotation mark. Okay, I mean, that doesn't really fix the issue. I mean, we have the code block now, but It sounds like being lost in transit every single time down. Yeah, I don't know. I'm already been recording for 35 minutes. I am tired. I might figure this out after the video, but it's not happening in this clip. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I'll be doing more coding once I get back on campus, but appreciate all the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one.